I'm so fucking proud of us. I'm so proud of you, honey.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Welcome back to my channel. I am bright-eyed, bushy-tailed because I am doing a unit for you guys from the Kriyya Hair. Kriyya Hair so graciously provided us with this beautiful 3/4 kinky curly wig. So she's doing all the things. She's a headband wig. She's a half wig. She almost a full wig. Okay, ho? So I'm coming through and I'm going to give you guys a nice little easy braided up style. That's why I have my hair out in the front. Obviously I'm braided in the back. Bam. Okay, party in the front. What did it say? Business in the front, party in the back. Listen, I'm like all marked up. You guys see how my hyperpigmentation has just been upset with my life. So I'm gonna go on through with this unit. She has one comb in the front, one in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. She's going for just $169 for a 3/4 wig. I think this is a very good investment because I'm gonna show you, obviously you can wear her as a headband wig, throw a headband on, but we could be a little bit more creative with this, and that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna braid the front of my hair up. We're gonna do like a cute little half up, half down situation, and I want y'all to get into it. So I'm going to shut my mouth and start braiding because I feel like my camera is about to die. So I feel like I need to do my part so y'all can do your part so I can do my part. So y'all can do my part. Or so y'all can do your... Y'all know what I mean. Y'all can know what I'm putting down. See me on the other side. Kriyya Hair so graciously provided us with this cute little goodie bag. Before I get started, we obviously have a scarf. Cannot get enough of these. A wig cap. Okay. Also cannot get enough of these. We have lashes. Are we still wearing lashes like this, y'all? We should stop. And these clips, okay, which I'm gonna use right freaking now. me tell y'all something. You ever come together, does a plan ever come together for you so hard that you just like, I just really hope y'all ready for this. I really took my time, y'all, and got this together. I really had a plan. I really wanted her to be super cute or whatever the case may be. Let me just hit up my situation here. Blend it on in. Okay. My hair is a wee bit dry. Boom. Flawless. Absolutely positively flawless. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. This is my PS It's Natural Perfect Blend hair oil, because my hair want to be dry than a mother jumper right now. Okay. Let me tell y'all something. I'm obsessed. I'm so proud of us. We like really came through and gave this one a situation. So again, this is a 3/4 wig, okay? I kind of want to take it down so you guys can see like another way that you can wear her. You can wear her just like a half wig. You know what I mean? But this, oh, sorry guys. Look at her. I'm so fucking proud of us. I'm so proud of you, honey. We came through and gave her everything that she was looking for. So as you can see at the top, we didn't add any hair, like any braiding hair. We only had it on the side because I wanted the long braids or whatever the case may be. But all in here is just me. All me. I just braided it back, added 2 braids on the side, sis. We was ready to go. Not only was this easier than I thought, okay? Because when I thought about this hairstyle, I said, all right, sis, take your time, get it together. But this was mad easy, like mad easy. So I want you guys to really try this one out and let me know what you guys think. So let me turn around. Y'all got to tell me if y'all see my tracks in the back, because that's what good girlfriends do. Do you see my tracks in the back? Do you see my tracks in the back? Now, I'm going to say this. I have bobby pins in here, guys, because this is hella big head friendly. Actually, I need more bobby pins. That's how big head friendly this is. She is about to fall up off my head. So I don't know that I'm going to be tussling tonight or catching a Holy Ghost or doing any of those things. I don't think that's going to be for me tonight. But this unit, did I give y'all? Did I come through for y'all? Like, tell me. Let me know. I gave y'all a whole vibe today. Like, I'm really into this. I think this is really, really beautiful hair. It's nice and thick and it's very natural. Joe said it like looked really, really natural to him, especially with the braids and everything. So we're going to take his word for it because he kind of know what the fuck he talking about. Do he not hear me talking? Now he going to start playing? Hey, man. But yeah, this unit overall is really stunning. Again, a half 3/4 wig is a really great way to do a fast style. And I think this is a really good investment, primarily because you can do so much with a 3/4 wig. I just chose to do this style for you guys. Should I show you something else? I'm gonna do one more style. So this is the second look. I hope you guys like it. We just went through, took the braids that we did on the ends and pulled them over like a crown to kind of like camouflage this part, this little Humpty Hump. In theory, ladies, gents, gals, guys, them, theys, the humps and the mumps don't need to be shown. That ain't in our business, okay? That ain't nobody business but yours. But this, let me tell y'all something. This came together so effortlessly. I am so fucking happy, okay? Like, I feel like I just put my mind to it. I felt clear. I felt like I had a vision, and we manifested it. Do y'all know how good that feels? Okay, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Now, again, this one is going for just under $170. An absolutely positively beautiful unit, and I think you guys need to check them out. You could do so much with this, and it's human hair, so it's a really good investment. There are affordable options, obviously, for like this kind of 3/4 wig or whatever the case may be. But I absolutely positively think this is something that you can have whack, you know, from the back of the closet. Throw a couple braids up in your hair and sit purdy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at them curls, boo. Get up on her. She's giving 4, B, C, you, and me. Okay? Is you picking up what I put there? She's giving sheets for everybody. All right? I am really into this. I want you guys to check out KriyyaHair.com, okay? Because they are providing, this unit is everything. And if I'm being honest, I know I do a lot of big hair, but it's really not my vibe. Like if I'm, you know, it's just not my vibe. And I think Kriyya has proven me wrong. It is my vibe. So shout out to them because they actually wanted me to do this particular unit. They must have had a vision as well. And they knew I was going to get this bitch together. Okay, so if you have not already, bust down. Subscribe to this channel, my loves. I am so happy that you're here hanging out with me. I am back like 4 flats on a Cadillac. And it's good to see you, beautiful mother jumpers, again. Bye.